Welcome to UMEÅ, welcome to Sweden. My name is Cyril, and this is the place to be for food, cookbooks, wine books.
Welcome to the Gourmand Awards.
The Gourmand Awards, it's all about food, wine books, cookbooks.
Food!
Hjälp moi! Je peux!
Klavreibrot, libros.
Gourmand Awards!
Gourmand Awards!
Welcome to Folkets Hus. This is Katarina, and I'm happy to say welcome to Gourmand Awards here in Umea.
Welcome. I'm Edward Cointreau, the president of the Gourmand World Cookbook Awards, which actually are all about food culture and today sustainability. We have conferences. It's actually a Umea Food Symposium, the first one. We hope it becomes annual, joining academics, researchers, and normal authors and specific chefs and so on from the worldwide.
What is this category here, 25 years?
25 years is, we started the awards in 1995 at Frankfurt Book Fair. Because of the pandemic, we couldn't celebrate the 25 years of the Gourmand Awards like we wanted. We did an event in Paris, and now we're doing an international event in Umea in Sweden to celebrate the 25 years.
Very lucky to receive the Gourmand Award. Please enjoy.
Temple of Cyril province.
Is it water or vodka?
My book.
Edouard was mentioning the sustainability efforts that really sparked at the UNESCO meeting in 2019 in Paris.
We actually have been giving awards for sustainability since 2011. It's also focusing on climate and sustainability. We managed to get into a special relationship with the Alfred Nobel residence and house and museum, which are very important to me. We have been giving peace awards since 2004 in Barcelona. Without food, there's no peace. And really, food is at the bottom of all the wars. And winning the peace is the key. It's not winning the war. We want to develop a lot of food tourism here. It's a really interesting gastronomy city. We want to do a very big event centered on food.
UMEÅ is a very charming city. Let's meet Hanna Olofsson. She's the head of the city marketing.
Hjärtligt välkomna till Umeå.
And we go for a gourmand tour. What are we doing here?
Oh, we're going for a gourmand tour.
And is it a local cheese?
This is a local cheese, just 70 kilometers from here. One of the most famous cheese from Sweden.
Currently, we are in the Costa's coffee. Why coffee is important in Sweden?
Oh, we wouldn't live without it.
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane.
Okay, skål!
Skål!
Skål! Startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now there's something in the air.
I am so glad that we in Umeå are able to become a member of this wonderful family. Welcome to Sápmi. That is the Sami word for the Sami country, stretching from Norway to Sweden, to Finland and to Russia.
We give awards to Sami books since 2015. They actually came to China to our event. They have beautiful songs. They're very important people. For us, the Sami focus is very important. And we even have the FAO leaders of the indigenous people unit who are coming from Rome to give the keynote speech of our indigenous people.
Everything you eat in the morning Everything you eat in the afternoon, in the evening, is actually the result of hundreds of years of observation of nature, and the best people at doing this all over the world are indigenous peoples.
In 2015, FAO invited a caucus of indigenous leaders, and they asked us to work on indigenous people's food systems. And so this is where we started to work with different organizations to develop a methodology of field activities.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for coming. I welcome especially the mayor of UMEÅ.
We're very glad that the group has won both the Gourmand Awards and Pouce Awards.
Thank you so much, Edward, for this opportunity.
It makes me so happy. So I just wonder if I can take a photo with all of you. Hello!
Thank you very much, Edward.
Very glad to be here.
And thank you everyone for this great honor.
Thank you, Edward. Thank you, Edward Junior. Thank you for your team.
This is very exciting.
Make a joke.
Et surtout, merci au travail accompli.
Thank you very much.
Wow, this is big.
I am very pleased to meet you tonight.
Muchísimas gracias.
Thank you, Mr. Carter. I'm very proud to be here.
Have a big clap for Edward. have a very special spirit at the Gourmand Awards. We actually are inspired by the Olympic spirit. We call it the Gourmand family spirit. It's not my invention. It's the people who come, who invented this, and they really come to meet and they make friends, lifelong friends here. When we have an event, we create our own civilization, our own culture, and we are very, very pleased to be here because we find that the people in UMEÅ are responding to this extremely well.